Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete Instagram account without password, email, and phone number. All you have to do, guys, is to, of course, download Instagram and of course log in to the account that you wish to use. Normally, what you guys could actually do is to head on over to your settings on the three lines over there, and then head it over on account, and then hit it over on delete account right here. You can actually head on over and choose to delete your account right there on the very bottom and click on Continue Deleting Account, and that directs you to the Instagram website showing you that you need to provide a reason why you want to delete your specific account. So all you need to do is to just provide the reason why and then to re-enter your password over here. So what you could actually do in the case that you forgot your password, you can head on and click on Forgot Password so that you could actually reset your password and then use that new password to proceed with deleting your Instagram account. But since our conditions are condition is that we don't need our password or phone numbers and stuff like that, what you could actually do is to head on over and click over here on the Instagram page. All right, perfect. So now you're basically on the Instagram on the web version. And I want you guys to head on over on your profiles. Head on over onto the settings right here on the very top left. And then scroll all the way down until you see Help. So click on Help and click over here and Help Center. So once you click on Help Center, you could actually head on and search for Contact Instagram. So when you search for Contacts Instagram, you could actually head on and contact Instagram itself to provide a request for you to actually delete your account. So over here, let's head on over back to the support requests and click on reports. So yeah, you could actually see your violations and stuff like that. And as far as we know, we don't really have any violations. So going back on what I said a while ago, you could actually click on Help over here. So let's go back on to our Help settings. Scroll all the way down, click on Help, and then head on over on Help Center, and then click over here. Contact Instagram or Contact Support, rather, could actually choose that, and it can actually head on over and search for a question over here that says, or rather, that gives you the opportunity to contact Instagram itself. So once you search something more for something more specific, rather you could search for a contact support chat, and it actually gives you these options. So click over here on one of these options over here and click on I think I have my Instagram account has been blocked, and by doing this, you could actually head on and scroll all the way here. So basically, once you have found and really didn't find any options, providing you the opportunity to contact Instagram through their email, what you can actually do is to compose an email by yourself by actually heading on to Gmail over here and using this to actually send an email on to Instagram. And I'm pretty sure that the email of Instagram is support@grammy.com. So yeah, it's actually right here. So basically, you just click on support@instagram.com and send them an email. Of course, title your email, basically how to delete your Instagram account, and compose an email giving them conditions, or rather the reason why you want to delete your account and all of the other conditions, like you don't know your password, your email, and your phone number. So basically, all you need to do is to send an email to them, and then wait for 3 to 5 business days, or basically a week or so for them to reply to you. And basically, they will do the deletion or rather the account deletion for you guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.